How to delete story on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete your story on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, you want to type in TikTok and then check whether the app has an update available. Go ahead and either download or update the application to the latest version. After we've updated TikTok, I'm going to simply open TikTok on my phone, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now by default, it will already load you a list of recommended videos, so you want to make sure you are logged into your account as well. And after you are logged into your account, what you can do is from the bottom right hand side of the menu, you want to simply tap on your profile icon or this profile page right over here. Once you tap on the profile icon, you're going to be redirected to our profile page. Now in TikTok, what happens is that if you actually upload a story, it is going to show on the post section right over here instead of tapping on our profile picture and going to the profile page. You can also see that there is a story which we actually just added. So in order to delete this particular story, what you can do is simply tap on the story right over here. After you tap on the story, let's say that this is a story which I want to delete. What you can do is at the right hand side, you'll see multiple options, but you want to simply tap on this three dot icon which you see. So go ahead and simply tap on this three dot icon. As you tap on this three dot icon, you can see three options, which is to either save this story to your phone or to actually edit the privacy. But what we want to do is simply tap on the option called delete. So we are going to tap on delete right over here, and it is going to ask us for a confirmation. You can go ahead and simply tap on the delete button in order to actually delete this story. Now once you actually tap on delete, you can see that the story has been successfully deleted. If you tap on the plus button now, you can go ahead and add a new story as per your wish. This is the way on how you could very easily delete story on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.